Hey there, YouTubers. Got another product. I had battery issues with the RV, now I have a battery issue with my car, and I just figured it would be time to have one of these on hand. They can always come in handy. This is an Innova. Again, I got it off of Amazon, and it was under 20 bucks. I read the reviews, and for the basic uses I'm going to have for it, I think this is going to do everything I need. So I'm going to go out and check some stuff with it. I just didn't see the need to get one of the fancy flukes. I know those are really nice and do amazing things, but I just don't think I'd use it and justify that kind of price. But let's open this sucker up. So I got it out. Okay, inside it, there's obviously the multimeter, and you get a good test of it. And on the back it has a little strap that will help you keep it in place. It comes off easy enough. It has a stand so you can look at it a little bit more easily. It feels decent. Again, it got good reviews for the price of under 20 bucks. And I think it'll serve all the basic needs of somebody like me. And probably most RVers out there, just checking little things. I'm going to do another little test. I got a couple batteries, like AA batteries. So I'm going to test one that I think is bad. And as you can see there, it's giving me the red saying it's bad. I'll test a good one brand new one. And that's showing me it's got 1.587, so they should be 1.5 at least on a AA battery. So that's a good one. Doing two things, knowing my batteries are good or bad, and making sure that this thing works. And you can see there's a set of lights on the left. Green means good, yellow means not so good, and red means the battery's bad. So this helps show me, I've switched to the other battery, and this helps show me that this multimeter is working. Two quick other cool things is the stand on this is cool. It makes it easier to read. Another cool thing is the strap down here hooks on this little thing. A little tricky to get in there, but then you can also wear this on your wrist if you need both hands to do stuff. And the other cool thing is my new cell phone case has the little stand in it, which is going to make life much easier. Okay, YouTubers, I'm in my car. I'm going to try to start this sucker. And as you can see, it doesn't want to do that. So I'm going to pop the hood. I've already been messing with it. I put it on a slow trickle charger, but it just wouldn't take a charge. So there's my battery. But before I mess with this car, I'm going to check the RV, check Cousin Eddie out, and give me a base to know my battery's good. So this will help me know how we're doing, because this battery is only like a month or two old. I got the multimeter. I'll turn it to 12 volt. Take the negative, I'm just going to stick it right down in there, and stick the positive right down in there, and you can see we're at 12.5 volts, which is good. Now you're supposed to be able to, you should be able to check your alternator this way, because when you start the vehicle, should go up because the alternator is trying to charge it. So what I'm going to do now, you can see this battery's still good on Cousin Eddie. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start the RV and see. This is a good way to check to make sure your alternator's working, because it should spike up to charge your battery and tells you that if you do have a problem, it is your battery. as we can see, the charge has gone up, so the RV is running and it is charging the battery. So Eddie's good. Let's go check another battery. Where we're at is the brand new battery that I just installed, the coach battery. So let's get this sucker hooked up. And as you can see there, this battery is also good. And you can use it to check your leads as well. That I'm still good. I got a good connection on a new grommet I put on. So it's car time. Okay, so all the stuff with Cousin Eddie was just to check to make sure that I got a good multimeter, which I do. I got the battery, which I'm pretty positive is my problem. It's going to be hard to do. Okay, I'm in there. On the negative, on the positive. And I only got 10.5. But it's saying it's still good. You ready?
Yeah. Yeah, it goes clear down to 7.
Yeah.
It even went down to 4 once.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, got it started with the Duracell and got it hooked up. And it's running 14.10 because that shows me that my alternator's good, that it is a battery. I just don't think 10.5 is going to keep this sucker running. So it looks like it's a new battery time. Yay. Alright, YouTubers, have a great and wonderful day. So in closing, the multimeter is good, but the car battery is bad. I think for under 20 bucks, this is going to do most things that a lot of people need. Has a lot of different functions. If you want a multimeter, just do a little bit of research. I'm not going to go through everything it'll do, but I think for most people, something like this is all they usually need. If you're not doing transistors and stuff like that. I mean, you can check wires to make sure the wires are still good. But I would give this thumbs up. I think this is a good product. Have a great and wonderful day. One thing, when I was reading the reviews on Amazon, a lot of people said that these little light indicators would go out. Well, inside it comes loaded with 2 AA batteries or AAA batteries. You just take those screws out. There's also a fuse in there, and apparently that fuse blows a lot, and that fuse controls these. So, other than that, for 20 bucks, it's not the greatest. It's not a fluke again, but it's a good standard multimeter for what most people need. Have a great and wonderful day.